Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall your audio driver on your Windows machine. So if you want to uninstall your audio driver on your Windows machine, you have to download this app called DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. It also uninstalls audio drivers, and you also have to boot into safe mode. As you can see right here, I am into safe mode, so it will make things easier and cleaner. So when you are downloaded the app, just run the app. Make sure you run as administrator. So go to where it says select device type. Instead of GPU, you select audio. Now select the device and click on your sound driver. I have Realtek, so click on Realtek. What I have to do is to click on clean and restart, highly recommended. Click on it. When you click on clean and restart, just wait for the software to do this thing. It's going to uninstall all the audio driver and restart the computer. After the restart, I'm going to check in my device manager. As you can see right here, we don't have any audio driver anymore. So I'm going to install the new one I downloaded. So that's how you completely uninstall your audio driver on your Windows machine. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.